Today's video will show you how to take SRAM backup for this Fanuc machine. It's very simple. So all our backup will be backed up, and there is in case any corruption of data, the same data can be put again. So we switch off the machine, and when we switch on the machine, we press these two soft keys in the panel, and then we press the start button, so the system gets on. So this system monitor main menu will get open, and then we will go to SRAM data utility like this. We press select, and we'll simply from CNC to memory card SRAM backup. This is what we want. So we'll press it, hit the select key. It's getting backed up. So then we'll select yes. And backup file over, write yes. It's taking all the data. Backup complete, hit select key, and then we'll go to end. Yeah, and now we'll see how to take SRAM data from the memory card to the machine. So it's very easy. So we have a backup already installed in our memory card. So now we have to put that data in the machine. So now we press these two soft keys, and then we press the start button. Now this system monitor menu data is open, and then we go to SRAM data utility, and then we go to this number 2, system restore from memory card to CNC. Select, hit yes, yes. Now it's installing the same data. Yes, and go to end. Now it's done. Thank you.